For our next problem, we have a swimming pool is constructed in the shape of two partially overlapping identical circles. Each of the circle has a radius of 9 meters and each circle passes through the center of the pool. Find the area of the swimming pool. So, ang figure niya is ito. So, nag-overlap yung dalawa. So, sa center. So, you have the radius which is 9 meters. So, 9. So, yung radius niya is. So, kung mapapansin natin, ito. So, dalawang. So, yung swimming pool natin is ito lang nasa labas. Of course, ito. Ito. So, bale, yung area ng circle, yung dalawa, minus yung area ng dalawang segment. So, kukunin natin yung area ng dalawang segment. So, identical lang naman siya. So, equal yon. So, kahit isa lang ang kunin natin and i-multiply sa 2. Yun na yung area ng dalawang segment. So, yung area ng circle, kunin natin yon. So, times 2 minus area ng segment times 2 din. Kasi dalawa siya. Ito. 1 and ito. So, i-write natin yung figure. So, here we have. So, ito, na-bisect yung radius niya. So, ito, this is 4.5. So, 4.5. So, this is, of course, radius 9. So, ito, if you are going to find the area of the segment, so, area ng segment, here, so, balang hinahanap natin yung area ng pool. So, ang area ng pool, so, the area of the pool is equal to twice ng area ng circle minus twice ng area ng ito. You have this two segments. Ito. Ito and ito. So, twice ng area of segment. So, kunin muna natin yung area ng segment. So, ang area ng segment is given by, you have area of the sector. So, area ng sector, ano ba yun? Ito. Yung parang slice of pizza. Minus yung area ng triangle. So, ito na yung natira. Dito. Minus area of the triangle. So, first, kunin muna natin yung area ng triangle. So, area ng triangle, ito. We have 1/2 base times height. So, wala tayong height. Ito yung height. Ito yung base. So, base is 4.5. So, wala tayong height. So, ang height natin, makuha natin siya by Pythagorean theorem. So, mayroon tayong right triangle dito. So, area ng triangle, so, equals 1/2 base times height. So, dito, ang area ng triangle natin is not only 1/2 base times height since, so, ang area na makuha natin is itong kalahati lang. So, ito, meron pang isa. So, times 2 dapat yan. So, maglalagay tayo ng times 2. Yun, renavise natin yung equation niya since dalawa yung makuha natin. So, yung kalahati muna, so times 2, para makuha natin yung kabuuan na triangle. So, yung height is, so the height here is equal to the square root of, we have Pythagorean. So, 9 squared minus 4.5 squared. So, that is, height will be 7.79. So, yung area ng triangle, so equals, so 1/2 base. Base is 4.5 times height natin na 7.79 times, you have 2. So, times 4.5 na lang. So, you have 35.07. Ito, 2 times 1/2, cancel na yan, 1. So, you have 35.07. Yun ang area ng triangle. So, area nito. Okay na to. Area ng triangle. So, i-shift store natin para hindi natin makalimutan. We have A. Alpha A. So, i-write muna natin yung figure niya. So, ang next natin na kukunin is area ng sector. So, para makuha natin yung area ng segment. So, di ba area ng segment is equal to area ng sector minus area ng triangle. So, yung area ng triangle, nakuha na natin kanina. So, yung sector na lang. So, sector, meron tayo dapat ditong angle. So, di ba kasi yung sector natin is given by sector. So, area ng circle times theta over 360. So, dapat meron tayong central angle dito. So, kunin muna natin yung isa dito. Then, i-multiply na lang natin sa 2. Kasi ito, dalawa, equal lang naman sila. Equal, equal. So, theta here. Theta, yung angle theta is, pwede natin makuha using, since ito given natin adjacent, 4.5, and may hypotenuse tayo. So, cosine. So, cosine of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So, that is 4.5 over 9. So theta is equal to our cosine, you have 4.5 divided by 9, so that is 1/2. So theta, that is, so arc cosine of 1/2, that is 60 degrees. So yung angle natin is dalawa, so 2 times. So yung angle is, let's say this is 1 na lang, 1 para distinguish natin. So theta 1 is 2 times theta. So that is 120 degrees. Ayan. So area ng sector, meron na tayong angle. So area of sector is equal to, you have area ng circle. So that is pi r squared. Theta over 360 degrees. So pi r natin, that is, you have 9. Squared. Theta is 120 over 360 degrees. So, area ng sector is, so, pi times 9 squared times 120 divided by 360. So, you have 27 pi. So, area ng sector is 27 pi. So, ini yung area, no? Ito, which is the segment here, is i-minus na natin yung area ng triangle. So, ito, so minus, so sector minus area ng triangle. So, yung triangle natin kanina is, in-store natin sa A. So, yung area ng segment is, ito, 49.75. You have area ng segment is area of sector, which is 27 pi, minus area ng triangle natin kanina, which is 35.07. So, area ng segment is equal to, you have 27 pi minus 35.07, nasa A siya. So, 49.75. Yun yung area ng segment. Here. So, in our figure, so, dalawa yung segment natin. So, itong dalawa. So, dalawang given na segment. So, ita times 2 natin to. So, yung total area ng segment, yung total area niya is total area of, let's say, segment is equal to, you have times 2 lang. So, 99.5. Square meter. So, ang area na hinahanap natin is itong nasa labas. Diba? Itong nasa labas. Ito. This is the swimming pool. Ito. So, yung area, okay, yung area nitong shaded figure na to, which is the swimming pool, is twice ng area ng circle minus twice ng area ng segment, which ito na nga siya, 99.5. So, kunin natin yung area nung dalawang circle. Diba? So, we have here, sa isang circle, pwede natin makuha yung area of the swimming pool by subtracting twice na segment. So, ito na nga yung twice ng segment. So, we have the area of the pool is equal to twice ng area ng circle minus twice ng area ng segment. So, yung area ng pool is, area ng circle is pi r squared. So, r is 9 minus yung twice ng area ng segment, nakuha natin dito, which is 99.5 square meter. So, yung area ng pool is 409.44. You have, unit natin is square meter. So, yun ang area ng shaded figure. So, it requires analysis para masolve natin yung mga plane geometry problems. So, madaling naman i-memorize yung mga formula, but yung important kasi is how you analyze the problem. So, in our next problem, we have here, find the area of a quadrilateral having sides A, B 10 cm, B, C 5 cm, C, and D 14.4 cm, and D, A 15 cm. If the sum of the opposite angle is equal to 225 degrees. So, A, B and C is 5. So, C and D, so hindi siya naka-scale. But dapat realistic yung figure. So, ang hirap i-drawing ng actual figure. So, yun na. So, CD is 14.4. So, yung DA is 15. So, actual, mas mahaba yung DA sa, huwag nyo naintindihan yung drawing. So, ito, yung opposite sides daw niya is, meron tayong opposite side, it's either ito or ito. So, yung gagamitin nating formula here is yung, balikan natin yung Brahmagupta's formula. So, ano ba yung Brahmagupta? So, sa trapezium sa, so, general, quadrilateral. So, area no, quadrilateral na, then four-sided polygon, so that is square root of S minus A times, you have S minus B times S minus C times S minus T minus, you have A, B, C, D cosine squared of theta, wherein yung theta natin here, your angle theta is yung 1/2 ng opposite side. So, given na tayo ng 225 degrees. So, sum yun, and divide lang natin sa 2. So, 1/2 ng any opposite side. So, ito, hindi natin alam kung alin yung given na 225, but given siya, the sum, so 225 divided by 2. So, we have 112.5. So, S natin is the semi-perimeter. So, i-add natin lahat ng lengths and divide sa 2. So, you have S is equal to, so you have, so 15 plus 10 plus 5 plus 14.4. So, S natin here will be 22.2. So, i-apply lang natin yung formula. So, A equals, so, square root of, you have S, so, 22.2 minus A. So, A, let's say 10. So, 22.2 minus 5. 22.2 minus 14.4. 22.2 minus 15. Minus ABCD. So, nakadugtong siya. So, ABCD. So, 10 times 5 times 14.4 times 15. Cosine squared ng angle. So, squared ito squared. So, cosine angle natin na 112.5. So, that is 101. So, yung area natin is 101. So, unit is square cm. So, So, ang answer dito is area. So, 101 square cm. Here we have next problem natin, the area of a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle of radius 1. So, regular hexagon meaning regular ang sides niya is equal in length. So, hexagon, you have 6 sides. So, hexagon is inscribed. So, nasa loob siya ng circle. So, i-drawing natin yung figure. So, ang hinahanap natin is area ng hexagon. So, ang radius ng circle is 1. Ito, 1. So, this is... So, para mahanap natin yung area ng hexagon, so, ito, you have this. Form tayong figure na ganito. So, ang area ng hexagon is actually 6 times, 6 times ng area nitong triangle. So, mag-focus lang muna tayo dun sa triangle na yan. Yung triangle is, ito, area, length ng side is 1 here. So, siya ay isosceles. So, yung angle dito is theta. So, yan yung angle, central angle. So, di ba ang 1 revolution, this is 360, di ba? So, nahati siya into 6 equal parts here. So, 6 equal parts. So, meaning, yung central angle mo is 360 divided by 6. So, 360 divided by 6. So, this is 60 degrees. So, ang figure natin is parang ganito siya. So, 1 is 1. And ito, 60 degrees. Okay? So, if binisect natin to dito, so ito. So, ito yung base natin. So, base. So, B. So, yung area ng triangle is 1/2 base times height. So, wala tayong base, wala tayong height. But, meron tayong itong angle. So, itong angle na to, this is 60. So, binisect natin. So, magiging 30 na lang to. 30. So, ito, this is 90 degrees. Then, kung 90 to, 30 siya. So, ilan yung kabila? So, ito ay, so, ang sum na kasi ng angle niya is 180, diba? So, 30 plus 90. So, plus, let's say ito, say alpha x, x na lang siya, equals, I have 180. So, ilan yung angle na yon, which siya ay 60 din. So, ito ay 60. 60 degrees din siya. So, meaning, kung 60 degrees lahat yon, so ito, this is actually a, this is a regular, equilateral triangle siya. So, ito, 1 din to. Kasi equal nga lahat ng angles niya, therefore, equal din lahat ng sides. So, ito, binisect natin, therefore, ito, this is 1/2. Huwag na natin kunin yung kabila kasi meron na tayong base na 1. So, kunin natin yung height. Yung height niya, this is, so itong kalahati is 1/2 here. Diba, 1/2 to. So, 1/2 parehas. So, equilateral. So, para makuha natin yung height ito, gamitan natin ng Pythagorean theorem. So, huwag na tayong gumamit ng heron. So, para mas madali. So, kunin natin yung height niya. So, yung height is, so, the height is equal to, so, square root ng 1. So, 1 squared, Pythagorean theorem. So, 1/2, ito, 1/2. So, 1/2 squared. So, h equals, ito yung height niya. So, yung area ng triangle, so, that is 1/2 ng base. Ang base natin is 1. So, yung height natin is square root of 3/2. So, area ng triangle is square root of 3/4. Therefore, area ng hexagon is 6 times lang na. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, area of hexagon. So, 6 times area ng triangle. Square root of 3/4. So, area of the hexagon equals, so you have 6 times square root of 3 divided by 4. So, you have 2.598. So, approximately 2.6. So, 2.598 units. So, that's it guys. So, before I end this, so shout out muna ako dyan sa mga friends ko sa Team Powerhouse and sa mga YouTube subscribers ko. Thank you for subscribing on my channel. So, as of now, we have 1.3k subscribers na sa YouTube. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Shout out rin ako dyan sa mga student ko, especially sa mga BS Mechanical Engineering. Hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe guys!